So this is a Craftsman front tine tiller, and it was brought over for service because the gas in the carb was all gunked up. And what it had here for engaging the tines on the handle is like a bicycle brake style handle that you pressed and held. And what it did is you pressed and held it, and then the tiller would engage with this control cable, and this idler here would engage the belt like this. But if you held it, you'd get all tired from holding it. So the customer put on a shorter belt so it didn't need this idler for engaging it. So I told them I probably have a better idea than what they have on here. So I could put on an inch longer belt. So I just put on an inch longer belt, and now this will engage it. And so my idea is like a handbrake for a go-kart or a mini bike. So this is just a standard handbrake for off-road equipment. And because it comes down under here, I just spaced it with nuts, tried it on here, spaced it away from this. So now it can operate. So now you're out there, you start at the tiller, the tines are not going. You come over here, you pull this all the way up, and it engages the belt like that. See, this is spring loaded, so it'll only engage its own so far. So no matter how hard you pull, there's a spring in here. And right now, this is starting to be pulled apart. So to release it, you just press the button on the end, and put it down. See? And now it's going to hold it. Now it's going to be engaged until you're done tilling and you're coming to the end of the row. You want to stop. Just lift it up, press that, and just put her down like that. And it'll disengage. Pretty cool. I like simple stuff like this. Trying to come up with a solution for a problem like that.